Okay, so let's start with the new questions of 3.2, that is sixth question. Last time I told you about that all, right? This one, how we can find out the terms. Sorry, how we can find out the terms like 20th term. Uh, Question number 2 is I already solved, right? So similarly, you can just solve question number 3, 4 and 5th. Here also you have to use same formula, the T of nth formula only. That is 24th term and all, right? See, and in the fourth one, 19th term you have to find, and in the fifth, 27th term. So this is same as your question number 2. So we'll solve now question number 6. It is find how many 3 digits natural numbers are divisible by 5. Sorry. See, in this question now what they have given, what we have to find out how many 3 digits number. I think you all know that 3 digits numbers is always start from 100, right? Before 199 is there, but this is 2 digit number. So 1 2 3, this is 3 digit number. Okay, that we have to understand. So what they have told, just whatever the 3 digits number is there, from 3 digit it will be till 999, this 999. इनके बीच में जो भी नेचुरल नंबर्स है विच इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 5, तो ऐसे कितने नंबर्स होंगे दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ n. I think this question is clear to you all, right? So we'll start solving now. So just write over there the least positive 3 digit number, right? So you just write, you can write over there, you can just write over there the list LEST, राइट? सबसे छोटा नंबर जो 3 डिजिट का है, पॉजिटिव 3 डिजिट नंबर, पॉजिटिव 3 डिजिट नेचुरल नंबर विच इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 5, राइट? विच इज़ divisible by 5 is 100, right? This is a list number. स्टार्टिंग नंबर हमारा 100 ही होगा जो 5 से डिविजिबल रहेगा. सो योर सीक्वेंस, द सीक्वेंस विल बी लाइक, सो हाउ यू कैन जस्ट राइट द सीक्वेंस, जस्ट राइट द सीक्वेंस नाउ. द सीक्वेंस विल बी लाइक 100, see 100, then 105, 110, then dot you just can put and just see 999 is not divisible by 5, right? So we'll not take this one. So before this 998, this is also not divisible by 5. You know, divisible by 5 means completely just it should be divided by 5, but it is not dividing by 5. So again just take 997, then 996. This is also not divisible, so the divisible number is 995, and which is also 3 digit number, right? So the ending part, the last term will be your 995. I think this is clear how we can make the AP. Now this is in AP form. This is your starting term, then second term, third term, and 995 is your last term, right? I think this is clear. Okay, now if you have, now you have AP form, right? AP form है अभी आपके पास. So now we can easily put the formula. Just write the formula now. T of n, see, T of n is equals to A plus n minus 1 and then D. So T of n value we have, that is 995 is equals to A we have, that is 100, right? Now n we don't have, so we have to find out this n. So just write as it is, and then D we have difference between them is 5. 5 से divisible है मतलब वो D का वैल्यू है, right? Now just solve it. You'll get 995 is equals to 100, right? Sorry, your plus will be there. And then 5, just multiply this 5 with the n, so you'll get 5n minus 5, right? just take this 100 and this minus 5 will be 95, this 100 and this minus 5 will be 95, and then 95 will come over here with this number, it should be subtracted. So you will get over there, what you will get, 900 is equals to 5n only, right? And then n ka value should be, n is equals to whatever the number is there, 900 upon 5, just divide it. So when you divide it, you will get 180. How much? 180. Sorry. So your n ka value is 180. So this is your answer. So how many 3 digits should be there which is divisible by 5? 180 digit. Sorry, 180 numbers should be there, like 100 and then 100 के बाद 105 आया, 1110 आया, then 1115, 120, 125, ऐसे करके बहुत सारे नंबर्स रहेंगे. जो लास्ट नंबर तो हमारा 995 था, राइट. तो ऐसे कितने नंबर्स होंगे? 180 नंबर्स होंगे. जैसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसे 7 8 ऐसे करके टोटल 180 रहेंगे. ये हमें क्वेश्चन में फाइंड आउट करना था और ये हमारा आंसर भी है. नाउ वी गॉट द आंसर. सो वी आर कंप्लीटेड विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. ओके, या नाउ विल डू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Sorry. The next question is 7th one. The 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find the 41 term of that AP. Okay. Now here what they have given? They have given 11th term and 21st term. Terms के जो भी values है, they also have given. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out 41th term, right? See 41th term अभी हम लोग को find out करना है. So with the help of this given thing, 11th term and 21st term, the number is this one, right? With the help of this number we have to find out the value of A and D. A and D का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फिर जब A और D हमारे पास होगा, so we can easily find out the value of this 41. Okay, so let's get start with this question. So whatever the thing is there, given thing, just write it down. 11th term is equals to 16 we have, and 21st term 29, right? Respectively means what? इसके लिए ये नंबर रहेगा और इसके लिए ये नंबर रहेगा, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज गिवन, जस्ट यू कैन राइट ओवर देयर गिवन. ओके. Then next we know the formula, that is we know that T of n is equals to is A plus n minus 1 and then D, right? This is minus in between them. Okay, and then just put the formula. We'll do one by one. First we'll do for the 11th one and then for the 21st term. Okay, we'll start from T of 11th term is equals to A plus n के प्लेस में क्या आएगा? ये वाला वैल्यू, राइट? 11. So 11 minus 1 and then D. What you are getting now? 11th of term 16 they have given. 16 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1 will be 10, so it will be 10D, right? So A का value, just take A here and you will get 10D. That means 16 minus 10D. जो 10D था ये, इसको मैंने क्या किया? 16 के पास भेज दिया, तो ये प्लस में था, so it will get minus sign now. So this is our equation number 1. Just keep this into mind. A is equals to 16 minus 10D. Similarly we'll get the another equation with the second questions, right? Sorry, second conditions. So this is clear, right? Now we'll do the next one. I'm just rubbing it around because my screen is not so large now, so I'm not able to write everything at one time, so I'm just erasing it. Okay, so then next term is T of 21st, right? A plus, again instead of n you'll have to put 21 and then 1, then D. Now 21, that is 29, is equals to A plus 21 minus 1, that will be 20, and then this 20D, right? Again, now what we can do, we can just put at the earlier equation, that is equation number 1 में हमारे पास A का वैल्यू था, right? We can just put that value in this A. Just put that value, that is 16 minus 10D, right? 16 minus 10D and then plus 20D. ये कहाँ से आया? You just can write from 1. From 1 we got this, right? From 1. Okay, and now solve it. 29. This is number, so just take it over here, so it will become minus. Now this is minus 10D plus 20, it will be 10D, right? Then after this 29 minus 16 will be 13, right? So you can just write over there D is equals to 13 upon 10, and this is our equation number 2. ओके, डी का वैल्यू भी हम लोग को यहाँ पे मिल गया 13/10. सो नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस डी वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1, सो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए ऑल्सो. सो नाउ विल सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस. ए का वैल्यू था ना हमारे पास, ए इज इक्वल्स टू 16 minus 10D, right? So just 16 minus 10 instead of D, we'll just write over there 13 13 upon 10, and then this 10 will get cancelled. You will get 13. 16 minus 13 over there, so just subtract it, you will get 3. So A का value, we have A का value 3 and D का value is 13/10. Now we have value of our A and we have value of our D, so we can now find out our 21st term. So let's get start with the 41st term, that is T41 is equals to A plus 41 minus 1 into D. In the next line, just put the value of A is 3, and this 41 minus 1 will be 40, then into D ka value we have, right, 13/10. Just write it down. Okay, now do it. 3 it will be 52. See, this 0 will get cancelled, and 13 4 will be your 52. So your answer is 55. 3 plus 52 will be 55, and this is our answer of this 41 terms, right? We'll have to find out this value of this 41, right? So we got the answer, that is 55. I think this is clear, and it is very easy, not so hard. बहुत easy था, आप लोग भी इसको try करो तो आपको आएगा. Okay, now we'll do the next sum also. That is our 8th question, right? Now 11, 8, 5 and 2. In this AP, which term is minus 151? See, now they have given AP दिया है, तो हमारे पास ए का वैल्यू, डी का वैल्यू सब हमारे पास है, राइट? तो हम लोग को भी यहाँ पे क्या सिर्फ पता करना है कि जो नंबर है ना, दैट नंबर माइनस 151 वो कौन से टर्म का है, विच टर्म इज़ दिस, राइट? हम लोग को टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है. सो इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इजी. जस्ट राइट द गिवन सीक्वेंस इज 11, 8, 5, 2 and the last term is minus 151. So use this formula, T of n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this value you have T of n, that is 151. A का value you have 11 plus n minus 1, n तो find out करना है. So just keep it as it is. Now D, that see the difference between them is 3, right? Difference will be minus 3, not 3, it will be minus 3, right? I think this is clear. Okay, now we'll move ahead. Now what we'll get, minus 151 is equals to 11, फिर minus 3n प्लस 3. ये कैसे आया आपको मालूम रहेगा, वो माइनस 3 हमारा ब्रैकेट में था, n से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यू विल गेट दिस थिंग. ओके, देन minus 151 is equals to this 11 and this 3 will become 14 minus 3n. राइट. सो -3n को ये साइड में लिया तो प्लस में हो जाएगा ये. सो इट विल बी 14 प्लस दिस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस 51. सो 3n इज इक्वल्स टू 165. सो n का वैल्यू इट शुड बी 165 अपॉन 3, दैट इज़ 55. राइट. सो ये कौन से टर्म का आंसर है? तो टर्म इज़ 55th टर्म. हैंस द 55 टर्म इज़ नंबर ऑफ -151. आई थिंक क्लियर दिस. या वी आर डन विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑल्सो. नाउ सी in the 9th question, in the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many numbers are divisible by 4? This question is same as your 6th one. ठीक है. So I hope you will try this question number 9. Just try it yourself. You will easily solve it. Now we'll move ahead. That is question number 10. In an AP 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term, then find the common difference. This is very easy. हाँ, सिर्फ दिखने में ऐसा हार्ड लग रहा है पर बहुत ईजी है. हम लोग का सिर्फ कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ डी विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो पहले गिवन थिंग देखने का कभी भी. जस्ट सी द गिवन थिंग. व्हाट दे हैव गिवन? 17th टर्म. जो 17th टर्म है वो 7 मोर है. 7 मोर मीन्स व्हाट? 7 ज़्यादा है किससे? देन इट्स 10th टर्म. सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट ओवर देयर t of 17. दिस टर्म इज 7 मोर मीन्स प्लस. मोर आएगा कभी भी सो यू हैव टू यूज़ प्लस का सिम्बॉल. लेस आया तो माइनस का सिम्बॉल. ओके. सो 7 मोर किससे? टी ऑफ 10 से. मतलब हम ये वाला जो नंबर है, ये वाला जो टर्म है वो ये वाले टर्म से 7 ज़्यादा है. अगर सपोज़ ये इसका वैल्यू 3 है तो इसमें 7 ज़्यादा करेंगे तब जाके तो ये 10 होगा. राइट. So this is the given things. Just use this and then instead of that T17 just use the formula T of n and then you will get the answer. Hope you are able to understand. So just try it and we'll meet. I'll see you in the next lecture again. Thank you. Bye bye.